Hey guys, welcome to InJayzBraiN. Today I'm going to throw you in the passenger seat and we're going to go along on an autocross course. I know some of you guys might not be knowing what an autocross course is, but it's a lot the same as a SCCA Solo 2 event. And then I know some of you guys are probably still going, okay, I don't know what either ones are. Oh, Google it, guys, Google it. Basically, you're looking at a big sea of orange cones that all have specific places where you need to go around them, or through gates or whatnot like this. Anyway, just to kind of get you an idea of what it is, we're going to show you not in the car first, see where you can kind of see what's going on. When you do get in the car, you'll understand a little bit better. Maybe not, but anyway. So Jeff is running the car first. He's the first one in the morning, so they want to do like a little test thing. So, and a lot of times we ended up, like on this track, we had 3 cars on the course at the same time. Spread out, obviously. So you're not, the cool part about it is you race what you brung. You don't have to have it all set up and just perfect. You basically, because you want to get baselines. I mean, a baseline feel of what your stock car will do will tell you what your improvements do to it later. The courses aren't going to be the same, but it's the same idea. You're still carving through corners, generally under 70 miles an hour to keep you under freeway speeds. Sometimes you hit about 90, but really it depends on the car. Whatever you got, sometimes you're going a little slower. Cool thing is you can jump in and ride along with these really fast guys and the really fast cars and the super setup bad boys. You can ride along with them and get an idea of what they're doing. All right, so we're running out here with Jeff really quick and watch him how he cranks through the corners. However, Jessica, the commentator, said he wiggled a cone. He obviously knocked it completely out of the box. And then, oh my god, what is this loud freaking thing? Oh, it's my car. Sorry. Yeah, that's pretty damn loud for a V6, isn't it? It does have a muffler on it. I'm not joking. It does. I swear it has a muffler, okay? And it's legal-ish. And now this guy back here, yeah, you saw it right. It is a Chevy S10 pickup. It does have an LS1 engine in it. He is in the same class I am in, and he kicks my ass every time so far. I haven't really even got close to beating him. But yeah, my tires suck. He has Bridgestone's autocrossing tires. With autocrossing, you can't go lower than 200 tread wear, because if you do go lower than 200 tread wear, you go into a racing slick category, which knocks you out of usually a lot of competition, because to try to keep the prices down for everybody to enjoy the thing, that's why we went with no lower than 200 tread wear. And here's the back side of the course where you really couldn't see. However, it's not the same cars. It's the second group in the morning running, and I'm out here chasing cones. So you kind of, at least you get an idea of what the whole track layout is like. And now let's just jump on into the passenger seat with me and you'll get a little bit better idea. Sorry for the camera shake. There's a lot of stuff going on, a lot of crazy corners. You just kind of follow it right along. And yeah, just enjoy. right, and now here's my second run of the day, and we're jumping out here. Oddly enough, one of my best runs, I didn't record. I thought I was recording, but I didn't record it. Sucks. Anyway, moving on. So enjoy, and you see the cones as they're coming up. A lot of them have like one cone laying down. Well, that cone won't count against you. It's just telling you you need to take the corner whichever way that cone is pointing. So if it's pointing to the right, you have to take the cone on the right. It doesn't give you the option of which way you can take it. Sometimes you do get an option to where you can either go left or right as you're coming into like another set of corners. And you just got to figure out what you want to do with the next corner and how you want to set the car up for that next corner and whatnot. So.
So just keep at it.
That's 2 seconds better.
Get it back.
Okay, and now here's the third run of the day. As I'm coming into this backside, I saw the cameraman and I was like, well, hey, let's just set up a little excitement for the camera guy and, you know, set up a little drift.
Little crazy. Thanks, buddy.
Julie.
All right, now here's the fourth run of the day.
Mr. Gear Man.
49, and I think she has it in.
And now here's the fifth run of the day, although I'm using an LG6 camera. I don't have a GoPro yet. I just haven't bought one. Well, I haven't had the money to buy one. So I'm just using my LG6, which it has two different cameras on it. It has a wide angle and a regular angle, and this is the regular angle cam, so just bear with it, and I believe it does shake more. And you don't get to see the front of the car to really know what the rear end of the car, I guess, is doing too. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Next time, we're going to run the Miata because my wife actually decided to let me take the Miata out for the Sunday event. And so you'll see what the Sunday track does look like, and running through it in a little 2000 Mazda Miata MX-5. It's a pretty awesome little car. It's a much more nimble car. And this track had a hairpin corner in it, which was definitely more fun in a smaller little roadster car like that. So anyway, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, please. Maybe hit that like button if you liked it. If not, you know what to do on the other one. So either way is good with me. I don't mind. You can push it either way. I really do would rather you give me a thumbs up and then hit that sub button because it just makes me want to, produce more videos. Yeah. All right. So have a fantastic day.